Sigma males stand apart in a world where fitting in is the norm. Often misunderstood, their uniqueness is seen as aloofness, even social misfits. Yet undeniably, they wield a magnetic pull, especially when it comes to attracting women. In this video, I'll show you the Sigma male's 10 secret powers of attraction. Number 1. Quiet confidence. It's the first secret power of attraction that sets the Sigma male apart. This isn't about loud bravado or showy arrogance. It's a subtle yet powerful presence, a sense of assurance without needing to shout it from the rooftops. A Sigma male walks into a room, and without a word, his confidence is felt. It's in the way he carries himself, self-assured and composed. This kind of confidence doesn't scream for attention. It naturally draws people in, particularly women. They sense the stability and strength in this silent confidence. It's intriguing, a refreshing change from the typical overt displays of confidence they often encounter. It's like a mystery they can't help but want to unravel. For a Sigma male, the quiet confidence stems from a deep understanding of who he is. He doesn't seek validation from others because he knows his worth, and it's this very trait that makes women find him so attractive. It's not just about being different. It's about being authentically confident in your skin, quietly commanding respect and attention in a world that's constantly noisy. Number 2. The aura of mystery. Unlike others who lay all their cards on the table, the Sigma male keeps his thoughts and intentions close to his chest. This reserve creates an enigmatic aura, compelling those around him to lean in closer, driven by curiosity. This mystery isn't about being secretive or deceptive. It's about the selective sharing of information, revealing just enough to pique interest without giving everything away. It's like a book with half its pages hidden, urging the reader to fill in the blanks. Women find this particularly attractive. It challenges them, ignites their imagination, and keeps them intrigued. In a world where oversharing is the norm, the Sigma male's mysterious nature stands out. Women are drawn to the depth and complexity they sense in him, the unspoken promise of layers waiting to be discovered. His mystery isn't a wall keeping people out. It's a bridge inviting them into a deeper, more meaningful exploration. This allure of the unknown, the thrill of the chase, makes the Sigma male irresistibly attractive. Number 3. Being rebellious. Being rebellious is a defining trait of a Sigma male, setting him apart in a sea of conformity. This isn't about reckless defiance or needless chaos. It's a calculated rebellion against societal norms and expectations. A Sigma male doesn't follow the herd. He forges his own path, guided by his principles and beliefs. This rebellion is rooted in authenticity. He's not trying to be different for the sake of attention. He's different because he's true to himself. It's this authenticity that women find incredibly attractive. They see a man who's not afraid to stand alone, a man who challenges the status quo. It's a breath of fresh air in a world where many are too afraid to step out of line. The Sigma male's rebellious nature is compelling because it's not just about breaking rules, it's about creating his own. It signifies strength, independence, and the courage to be different. Women are attracted to this because it promises adventure, a journey away from the mundane. In the Sigma male, they find someone who's not just a partner, but also a fellow traveler on a path less trodden, a path of exciting unpredictability. Number 4. Spirit of adventure. The Sigma male's adventurous spirit manifests in his hobbies, travels, career choices, and everyday interactions. He values personal growth over comfort, eagerly exploring the unknown rather than shying away from challenges. This zest for life is magnetic, especially to women attracted to his willingness to break the mold. His unpredictable, evolving nature promises a dynamic partnership filled with shared experiences and growth, not mundane routine. He's not reckless, but inspired, an intriguing figure who finds opportunities to learn in difficulties. Women find his adventurousness exhilarating. It offers an escape from the ordinary, an invitation to join a life where each day holds the promise of new adventure. Number 5. Effective listening skills. The Sigma male excels in active listening. He's attentive, empathetic, and fully present in conversations. He doesn't just wait for his turn to speak. he genuinely processes and responds to the information shared with him. His approach to communication, marked by consideration and attentiveness, makes those around him feel truly valued and understood. Women, in particular, find this trait attractive, appreciating the respect and genuine interest it signifies. This aspect of the Sigma male's personality appeals because it demonstrates depth and understanding, essential in all types of relationships. His ability to listen and connect deeply is a key facet of his allure, enhancing his appeal and respectability as a companion. Number 6. Prioritizing self-care. The Sigma male recognizes self-care as essential for personal well-being, covering physical fitness, mental health, emotional balance, and intellectual development. This holistic approach reflects deep self-respect, focusing on maintaining a healthy self-relationship and being at his best in all life aspects. This trait goes beyond vanity. It's about valuing well-being as a foundation for contributing positively to the world and relationships. Women are attracted to this responsible, self-aware approach, seeing in him a potential for a stable, mature relationship. His self-care commitment, far from being self-centered, indicates a capability for caring for others, making the Sigma male not just attractive, but deeply respectable. Number 7. Intellectual stimulation. Far from mere surface-level charm, he engages with the world and people around him on a deeper, more thoughtful level. His conversations are imbued with insights, challenging norms, and encouraging new perspectives. This isn't just about being well-read or academically accomplished. It's a mindset, a way of thinking and interacting that provokes thought and invites meaningful dialogue. Women are drawn to this intellectual stimulation. It's an attraction that goes beyond physical appeal, rooted in the mental and emotional connection he fosters. They find his ability to engage in intelligent, meaningful conversation refreshing and captivating. It's about the excitement of being with someone who can challenge and expand their worldview, someone who can turn a simple conversation into an exploration of ideas. This intellectual depth of a Sigma male makes interactions with him enriching and thought-provoking, offering a bond that's as intellectually stimulating as it is emotionally fulfilling. Number 8. Sense of responsibility. This responsibility extends beyond mere personal obligations. It's a broader sense of duty towards his goals, relationships, and the people he cares about. He's someone who doesn't shirk from commitments, but embraces them with integrity and dedication. Women are attracted to this trait because it signals reliability and trustworthiness. They see a man who's not just responsible for himself, but also capable and willing to be a dependable partner. This sense of responsibility in a Sigma male fosters a feeling of security and trust in relationships, making him a sought-after companion for those valuing depth and sincerity. Number 9. Mastery of language. Sigma male knows the power of words and uses them wisely, be it in articulating thoughts, expressing emotions, or engaging in witty banter. His communication is clear, thoughtful, and often profound, resonating with depth and understanding. This linguistic prowess is highly attractive to women. They appreciate a man who can express himself eloquently, conveying complex thoughts and feelings with ease. His ability to communicate effectively creates a strong connection, making conversations with him both stimulating and meaningful. The Sigma male's mastery of language is not just about eloquence, it's a bridge to deeper understanding and emotional intimacy. Number 10. Emotional intelligence. Sigma males possess an acute awareness of their own emotions and understand the emotions of others with empathy and insight. This isn't just about being sensitive, it's about navigating complex emotional landscapes with wisdom and maturity. Women find this emotional intelligence incredibly attractive. They are drawn to a man who can understand and relate to their feelings, fostering a deep, empathetic connection. His ability to be both emotionally present and responsive creates a sense of safety and trust in relationships. The Sigma male's emotional intelligence ensures that interactions are not just intellectually fulfilling, but also emotionally enriching. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. To uncover the next best way to love up as a man and master irresistible attraction, dive into the video, 9 fascinating things women admire in Sigma males.